Mango is the king of fruits. The king is at his court. All the fruits come to the court. May I speak, king? Asked the apple. May I speak, king? Asked the orange. May I speak, king? Asked the pear. Of course you can, but one at a time, says the king. I am the best of all the fruits, says the apple. No, I am the best, says the orange. No, I am the best, says the pear. Mango, the king, smiles. Stop, we are all equal. We are all healthy fruits, says the king. We all have our own special taste. Pomegranate, a friend of the king, comes to the court and says, I am the fruit of Jannah, and I agree with the king that we are all equal. The orange, pomegranate, mango, apple and pear smile. They are all happy.